Hello children, how are you? See children, we have started the lesson number 1. What is the lesson number 1? Science. More about plants. More about plants. Children, we have finished hard words, fill in the blanks as well as match the following and next one also with the plant which go into a new plant. So have you written fill in the blanks as a homework? Two times each blank children. Have you finished hard words also in your homework book? So if you didn't finish, try to finish the homework. Next, coming to the short answer questions. Short answer questions. What is germination? What is germination? What is germination, children? The process by which seed produces into a new plant or a baby plant in the presence of water, air, and warmth is called germination. You can write children same manner, or we can write in different way also. The process by which seed produced into seedling in presence of air, water, and warmth is called germination. See children, page number 204 in your textbook, what is germination? It is there. The process by which seed produced into a seedling in presence of air, water, and warmth is called germination. In presence of air, water, and warmth is called germination. Define agriculture. Define agriculture. The practice of growing plants on a large scale for food, on a large scale for food or other purposes is called agriculture. The practice of growing plants on a large scale for food or other purposes is called agriculture. So I told agriculture is not an extensive, it is not a short term process, it is an extensive process, and it is not cannot be done in one day or in one step. So we have to practice of growing plants on large scale for extensive population for food or other purposes is called agriculture. Name 3 essential elements other than soil for the growth of the seed. You know that 3 essential elements are that water, air, and sunlight. Water, air, and sunlight. Next, turn the page, children. Which special feature of potato helps in growing its new plant? Which feature, children? Small birds on potato helps to grow into new plants. What is contour farming? Where and why it is done? Contour farming has other name also, terrace farming. We have studied in 4th class terrace farming. Same, contour farming. Other name is for terrace farming, contour farming. The practice of tilling sloped land, nothing but hilly areas along lines of consistent elevation in order to conserve rainwater and to reduce soil losses from surface erosion. Or you can write it as just the practice of doing farming on hilly areas. Doing farming on hilly areas by stepwise. So that is called contour farming or terrace farming. It is also very children the practice of tilling sloped land, that is nothing but cutting into small curve manner along lines of consistent elevation in order to conserve rainwater and to reduce soil losses from surface erosion. You can see the picture, children, how they done farming on hilly areas step by step. That is nothing but we are tilling the sloped land, cutting the sloped land. The hill, we are cutting the hill into steps manner and doing farming on that to conserve rainwater and to reduce soil losses from surface erosion. Define crops. Name 2 main types of crops grown in India. So when plants of same kind are grown in same place or cultivated in one place on large scale, it is called crop. It is called crop. The 2 main types of crops that are grown in India are, what are those 2 main crops, children? Rabi crops, Kharif crops. Rabi crops and Kharif crops. Next question, define harvesting and irrigation. Harvesting and irrigation. Harvesting is nothing but process of gathering a ripe crop, children. Here some spelling mistake done. So correct it. Crop. This is ripe crop. CROP, crop. From the fields. From the fields. Next one, irrigation. The process of watering the crops. Watering the crops is called irrigation. Giving water to the crops is nothing but irrigation. Next question, differentiate between monocot and dicot seeds. Monocot have one cotyledon, whereas here also check it children, print mistake, whereas dicots have two cotyledons. Dicots have two cotyledons. Next question, what are pesticides? A substance used for destroying insects. Pesticides are nothing but chemical substances that are meant to kill pests. To kill pests are nothing but small insects. This is about short term questions children. Next we will see long answer questions. Practice these questions writing one time in your homework book. Understood children? Thank you.